Hi everybody, it's Shanna with Shanna Sweets, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Midwest. I'm so glad you take time to join me this week for this super cute card using the Honeybee bundle in this mini catalog. It's super adorable and super fun, and it's using some paper out of the Celebration catalog. It's still time to earn this free paper from Celebration. You know, you can get free product for every $50 or more that you spend buying stuff that you already love. So let's get right to it and make this super fun, super cute card. We are going to use a circle from the Layering Circles die set, and we're going to stamp this little honeycomb, no, like a, yeah, I guess it's beehive, that's what I want to say. Having a brain moment. So I'm using Daffodil Delight ink, and I'm going to stamp it at this is the largest circle in the Layering Circles, and so I'm going to stamp it at the bottom. And then using the Memento Black, I'm going to ink up the sentiment that's already arched, and I'm going to stamp that right above the beehive. Okay, while I have the black out, I'm going to ink up my bee, and I have a little bee already cut out, and I'm going to just lay him on top and give him a firm inker there. And that will be all my inking. Okay, while I have my circle out, I'm going to take a piece of tape here, and I'm going to I have some Sizzix on these guys, so I'm gonna take these off. And take the Sizzix off this guy here. Kind of want them to go the opposite corners here, but I want it to layer on this piece of designer paper, so I want to make sure that it fits. Now, if you wanted, you could pop this up, but I'm going to pop my bee up, and I didn't want that much dimension, so that's why I didn't pop it up. So, there we go. Okay, now, my Daffodil Delight here is 4 by 5 1/4, so this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And that is going to go right on top here. And then I have a little strip right here that I'm actually going to slide underneath that circle. I guess I could have layered it first, but it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. If you wanted to stick underneath your honeycomb, this one I'm going to put on top of it, but I want it under the circle. But I'm going to put it right on the edge here. The other one I had it kind of under it, but this one I'm going to put this one where it's the honeycombs under it. So, and then this guy is going to go on my black. And my black is 8 1/2 by 5. and a half, fold it in half. And it's going to go right on top. Just like that. Then my little bee, if I didn't lose him, he's going to get a dimensional. Should fit right in the middle of him. He's going to go right on top. And then I should have a couple of these little guys with some adhesive. And I'm just going to hopefully fill in. If I fill them in correctly, they should layer. And you just layer however many you want. So like I could tuck one under the thing there. This one's going to go there. And one up here. And it doesn't really matter whether you use just one or use both of them, because they're all kind of the same. The shapes are the same size, so it doesn't have to be from the exact spot or anything, because they're all the same size. So you can just fill in wherever you want. So just like that. There we go. And then I do have white because, you know, you can't really write on black. So here what I decided to do was, because I had these extra pieces of the yellow, you can take and just kind of make your own little piece inside. So if you want, just take a couple and layer them. Because you can build your own honeycomb even without the outline. Just and then stamp another bee just like that. And if you really don't want a gap like right there, you don't want this gap right here, just put one more like that. And then just take a pair of scissors here and trim it. Okay, there you go. That's my card, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on purchasing with me, please message me below. And just know that if you purchase using this host code and your order is over $25, you'll get the February Sweet Treat featuring lovely lily pad stamp sets this month. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye.